Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your account on Paxful app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device. And if you haven't logged in already, go ahead and use your email address or your phone number to log into your account. Once you have logged in, you will end up within the home page, from which if you wish to delete your account, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on account status. And now from this page, scroll down and tap on Contact Support. Under this page, tap on Managing Your Account and then tap on Closing Account. You will now be shown the instructions that you can follow in order to close your account on Paxful. Simply follow these instructions and you will be able to delete your account. You might need to do this using your web browser. So depending on the country or region where this is supported or not, you might need to use a VPN. You can also tap on how to contact customer support and you will be shown the instructions on getting in touch with the support team for Paxful. You can search for the Paxful application on the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store, and once you find the application, tap on the App Support drop-down menu and choose the email option. You will now be able to send an email directly to the Paxful team. Within the subject section, type in "delete my account" and then explain that you don't wish to use your account anymore. Finally, send your email, and once they receive your email, you will receive a response within a few days with the instructions that you can follow to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to delete your account on Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.